Hello all. This expression, what we all know in aero background, either aeronautical or aerospace, or many students from fluid mechanics, they are also aware of the formula of CP, coefficient of pressure. When we deal with the airflow over airfoil, then we go through this formula for the very first time. CP is equal to change in the static pressure divided by the half rho v square of the free stream, means the dynamic pressure. So why we take the division with the dynamic pressure? My name is Vikash Kumar Shrivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 7 times and I am an IITian. I am also running my dedicated coaching center for GATE Aerospace, and I am teaching GATE Aerospace students from 2014, and I have given so many successful results, and a lot of my students, they are studying into different IITs, and they are also visiting abroad for their further future and career in academics and industries. So whatever I will discuss here, it will be about GATE Aerospace or aerospace engineering related facts only. So you can visit my YouTube videos for more informations regarding more topics and fundamentals. You can join my upcoming batch for 2025 batch, the crash course. I mean GATE Aerospace 2025. I'm going to start the crash course from 1st or 2nd October. For the fees and other details, you can just text me on my WhatsApp number 6380135260. My name is Vikas Kumar Shrivastav. My students call me Viru Sir. CP formula is change in static pressure divided by half rho square, right? So when we say change in static pressure, what do I mean by change in static pressure? See, we have, suppose this is the airfoil and air goes above the airfoil. Air goes above the airfoil. So in the air, you have two types of property. You have static property also in the air. So that static pressure, I am saying P infinity, and dynamic pressure also. That is half rho infinity V infinity square. Now, when this air will flow over the airfoil, then because of the shape and blah blah things, you know, remaining fundamentals, your static pressure will change at every point over the airfoil. Why? Because velocity changes at every point over the airfoil. What does it mean? Meaning is, when velocity is changing because of the continuity equation, when velocity is changing, dynamic nature is changing, so static nature has to change and total pressure will be constant. So dynamic pressure is changing. How much dynamic pressure is changing? According to that only change in static pressure will come. So here static pressure is P infinity, and over the airfoil your static pressure will be some other number. Okay, for example, here static pressure is P infinity. I am targeting any point over the airfoil. That point is A. So at point A, PA will be the symbol of static pressure at present condition at point A. So P infinity, PA, if you find the difference, some number will become, right, will be coming. That number, who is responsible for the number? That is dynamic pressure. Half rho v square, how much amount of half rho v square will change, that much amount of static pressure will change from here to there. Okay, that's why CP, coefficient CP, when you will find out coefficient of pressure, it is a non-dimensional number. When you will do your master degree, MTech, MS or PhD in future, then you will come to the importance of non-dimensional number. Lot of numbers already you are going through your courses, like Reynolds number, Mach number, some fraud number, lot of other numbers you are going through. So you know that what are the ways to make any number non-dimensional. You may not be knowing, or you may be knowing, but why only certain variables we are keeping in a particular non-dimensional number, like CP formula. It contains the difference of static pressure divided by half rho v square. So why are we only dividing by half rho v square? Okay, because whatever amount of half rho v square will change, that much amount of static pressure will change. So change in static pressure we are bothering relative to the change in dynamic pressure. That's why in CP formula, so this is a very fundamental formula of CP, change in static pressure divided by half rho v square. This expression is valid for any type of flow. Okay, when you talk about compressible flow, incompressible flow, then slowly this formula changes its shape. I mean the look will change. You can convert the same formula in terms of velocity, you can change the same formula in terms of critical Mach number, you can change the same formula in terms of your Mach number. So yes, I said critical Mach number, yes, I used to teach all the things in my class. CP has so many formulas, right? So, and in GATE Aerospace also questions are coming from all these formulas. So this video is about two things. One thing is promotion about my upcoming batch of GATE Aerospace 2025 Crash course, it will go for 3 months and fees will be very less. Anyone can afford the fees. In my class I will teach you everything, and I will also give you the fun test series assignments, and I'll also be solving all your doubts. So just contact me on my given number and let's join the class either on 1st October or on 2nd October. I have not decided it. I'll let you know. Thank you all.